Mount Merapi Museum is a historical museum located in Yogyakarta, precisely on Jalan Boyong, Dusun Banteng, Hargobinangun Village, Pakem District, Sleman Regency, Yogyakarta Special Region, about 5 kilometers from the Kaliurang tourist attraction area. The Mount Merapi Museum was inaugurated on October 1, 2009 by the Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources, ESDM, Purnomo, Yusgiantoro. The flagship collection of the Mount Merapi Museum is the miniature of Mount Merapi. A miniature of Mount Merapi seen from above is a spectacle that is worth listening to. Mountain activity, although dangerous, but has its own charm. This miniature shows the appearance of a volcano that is emitting smoke. With a building area of about 4,470, which stands on a land area of 3.5 hectares, the museum, which in the future will also be equipped with a garden, parking area, and plaza, wants to be known to the public as the Mount Merapi Museum with the motto Merapi Jendela Bumi. With a building area of about 4,470, which stands on a land area of 3.5 hectares, the museum, which in the future will also be equipped with a garden, parking area, and plaza, wants to be known to the public as the Mount Merapi Museum with the motto Merapi Jendela Bumi. The Mount Merapi Museum can be used as a means of education, dissemination of information on volcanic aspects in particular and other recreational, educational, geological disasters for the wider community, with the aim of providing insight and understanding of scientific, as well as socio-cultural and other aspects related to volcanoes and other geological disasters. The Mount Merapi Museum is expected to be an alternative solution as a very important and potential facility as a center for volcanic information services in an effort to educate people's lives, as well as a medium in increasing public awareness and awareness about the benefits and threats of volcanic eruptions and other geological disasters. In 2014, the Cultural Office of the Special Region of Yogyakarta published a book containing the excellent collections of museums in the Special Region of Yogyakarta, including the excellent collection owned by the Mount Merapi Museum.